Welcome back, everyone. I'll go and show you exactly how to fix your Instagram Reels if for some reason your Instagram Reels are not working. Now, the typical issue and why this may be happening for you, I'm going to be 100% honest, is usually when you have a network issue. So, what does that mean? Well, pretty much it means that your data connection isn't working, your Wi Fi connection isn't working, nothing like that is working. And all you really have to do is connect to a better signal, connect to a better data connection, whatever the case is. So to do this, whether you have an iPhone or an Android, you want to hop your way over to the settings application. You then want to find Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or cellular, these type of settings, and you want to connect to a better signal. Now you can see I'm connected to the 2 gigahertz network. If you're connected to the 5G network, that's going to be much faster. Once you have the ability to connect to a better network, you want to make your way over to Safari browser, internet browser, Chrome, whatever it is, and you want to start loading up some web pages. If it takes an extremely long amount of time to load up a web page, then it's probably a network issue that you have, and you're going to have to connect to a better network. However, if it takes no time at all, the typical normal amount, then it may not be a network issue. So what could be the issue at this point? Well, to be honest, if you're not having a network issue, most probably Instagram Reels or Instagram in general could temporarily be down. So what does that mean? Well, sometimes, much like any other application like TikTok, with Snapchat, with Facebook, with WhatsApp even, these applications can actually go down if their server side is actually, interrupted in some way. So what does that mean? Well, some of you may actually be more aware of, Instagram servers, or is Instagram down, or, those type of, things people always post. Those are always trending on Twitter, and that happens because Instagram internally is having an issue. So typically their servers are down, there's like some thing going on, they're gonna have to reset whatever, and there's really nothing you can do. That's basically the main synopsis. No matter what you do, you can delete Instagram, you can restart it, you can restart your phone. It doesn't really matter, you're still going to experience issues with your specific device. So with me saying that, you're probably going to have to just wait it out. You could try updating your Instagram application, that may help it, but to be honest, most of the time it is an Instagram server side issue, especially if it's one specific issue with Instagram Reels. So if you update your application and it's still not working, and you connect to a better signal and it's still not working, you're pretty much just going to have to wait it out until Instagram fully pushes out that fix on your end. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.